Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to import 3D models on After Effects like this. It's very easy and let's get started. Create a new composition, then hit OK, go to Layer, New Solid, and I'll call it Element. Then OK, go to Effect, Video Copilot, and Element. Okay, now I'll go to Scene Setup and Import. Now I'll import my OBJ file. Then okay, I'll go to Scale tool and drag like this. And this is our model. Okay, now I go to font color and text, and I'll go here, diffuse and blue text. Okay, this is our texture, and okay, yes, very good. Now press OK, go to layer, new camera, and okay, I'll go to camera tool and press C and drag it like this, and here we go. That's all. Okay, this is my tutorial today. If you like it, don't forget like, share and subscribe.